not towing this year. I'm not rowing this year.
Well, what are you doing here?
Yeah.
Nah.
You're next year.
Go down the center of the channel.
You have to watch this oar right here and stay with that oar because Rick can't see it.
Okay.
And pull.
Right there, Steven. Ready. Throw.
Stroke. And stroke. Stroke. And stroke. And stroke. And stroke. And did you make it across?
No, we're at about 3/4.
Got a motor, I'm telling you.
No, we don't. We don't have a motor. They're sitting right
Yeah, there's the motor.
Go, Roar, go! Bumpers out. Bumpers out.